Namaste, welcome to Home #Life. On this channel, you will find home organization, home decor, cleaning routines, meal planning, tips and ideas. In short, all things about home and life. So if you don't want to miss any new videos, please subscribe and do follow us on Instagram for more decor and lifestyle pictures. It's been a while. We have shifted to our own apartment, and since then I was procrastinating to organize the pantry. There was always a war between plastic versus steel or glass. I really hope that you are able to understand what I'm talking about. My pantry is not 100% plastic free. It's a journey, it's a process. Slowly I'm trying to inherit the good over not so good stuff, I guess. Recently we visited IKEA Hyderabad to find some exciting stuff to organize the pantry, and I will share everything after a while. I can say this will be mostly IKEA inspired pantry organization video. So let's get started. Let me share an overview of the pantry in our kitchen. It has 4 upper shelves and 2 lower shelves. Also sharing this before picture to make a sense that overnight nothing has changed. I took quite a bit of time to decide how to organize the pantry to make it aesthetically pleasing and relatively functional. I decided to set the pantry with IKEA's glass jars. This cork-in glass jar series is so affordable one. You can also buy separate rubber gaskets to change them if they are lost or damaged. As you can see, I have these 3 glass jars which I bought from Spar 6 to 7 years back. Changed these wear out rubber gaskets and now they are all new again. I have them for quite a long now. I never felt that they are inconvenient to use, so I bought these IKEA's cork-in glass jars in different sizes to store the dry food items. I've never been known for The upper shelf holds 2 baskets. Left one holds all extra dabba dubbi miscellaneous items and one occasionally used lunchbox. The right one holds empty juice or cold drink bottles. Sometimes we all need them, don't we? So let us just do. The second shelf is our breakfast shelf. We eat quite simple breakfast, nothing much fancy here. Upmas, pohas, cornflakes, sometimes homemade pancake mix for after school snacks, sabudana khichdi or vada, menus like that. All labeled. This time I bought this peel and stick stickers from Amazon and used a permanent marker to write on them. So budget friendly and functional. IKEA has this sticker roll in their stationery section. You can use them to label your glass jars as well. Probably you are wondering why I am labeling these clear jars where everything can be visible. So I have a say here. 1. Easy to remember what will go where. 2. Easy for other family members to find out what they want without your help. 3. When label is clearly displayed, it is so easy to follow and maintain an organized space. Now we all know why we need to label our pantry items. Okay, moving on to the next shelf. It holds all the snacks items like biscuits, mixtures, moody. Oh, by the way, jhal moody is one of my favorite evening snacks. I can eat it every single day. This is a shelf insert from IKEA which has maximized the space. Up here I have kept all the mixtures. Down here in this Soma tin I have kept rusk, my favorite tea time biscuit after Britannia Marie. This basket is from IKEA too. The handle makes it easy to take it out so that I can reach the back of the shelf easily. This Risotto basket holds all ready-made and open snacks items without creating any clutter. Nevertheless, it has its own aesthetics with a touch of wood and metal to make the space beautiful. I don't want anything left untried. Will you come with me, mon cher? So let us just this last shelf, I have stored all dal, beans, lentils, etc. I can call it the protein shelf. I want to share a tip here. If you are organizing any deep shelves, then go for U-shape or U-pattern organizing system. There you will be able to see everything. It will be easy for you to access each and every item. Probably you have seen this rotating jar organizer in our previous video, working absolutely great. You can find all the product links in the description box below. So if you have a query, do check out the description box. Here's another tip. If you want to overhaul or reorganizing your pantry, choose the right container. Write down every single item you and your family consume. Then, according to your family size, write the consumption quantity. For an example, we consume tur dal more than other dals. So for tur dal, we have 1.2 liter jar. Then for masoor, moong or other dals, we have this 750 ml jars. This is our tried and tested method and the most convenient one to decide containers capacity for each food item. On the pantry door, I have hung this metal memo board from IKEA, which is supposed to organize memo notes, but it has turned out into one of my best meal planning tools. I hung few recipe lists of breakfast, lunch, dinner ideas for a quick reference, and also have hung ready-made soup packets or meal packets as we do not eat them often but like to have occasionally. Also, this chip clips found our best place to chill. I just loved this setup.
I've never been known for my cautious side. I know the wind that I
Now, before moving on to the next shelf, I would like to mention, if you have a small kitchen without much cabinet space, then you can check this video or another one with detailed step-by-step video on pantry organization from our rented kitchen. Link will be in the description box below. Our goal here is to think about the available space that we have and how we can make the space more comfortable for us. I hope all these videos can be a guideline to organize your own space. This lower cabinet has two shelves. The first one holds all the carbohydrate food items. FYI, as we all don't have access to IKEA's product, you can also find these glass containers in your local DMart stores, or I will share few online links in description box below. I have stored different types of rice like Gobindabhog or Zira rice, boiled rice, my healthy grain mix and basmati rice on this shelf. We like to eat different grains to keep our taste bud happy and as well as healthy. I organized them in this tray so that I can access the back of the shelf easily. And in this pull-out bin, we keep different types of pasta and noodles.
You should know that I'm well.
I have kept this big steel atta container in this corner drawer. As it is a pull-out drawer, it's very easy for me to access the atta container on daily basis.
You come with me, mon cher. So let us just do my love.
Down here, this left basket holds extra grocery items. And the right basket holds extra snacks, biscuits and stuff. Here on this shelf, I have kept millet, ragi, dalia and oats in these decorative containers. I have a little concern about my daughter though. Probably I will add few stainless steel containers to keep her snacks so that she can access them by her own. IKEA has a wide range of stainless steel products in Hyderabad store with super high quality. So this is how I have organized this pantry. I hope it will motivate you to rethink about your space if needed and encourage you to maintain an organized pantry. Don't forget to leave your inputs in the comment section below. If you liked the video, if you found it helpful, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and also share this video with someone you care. Subscribe to Home #Life for more videos. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.